what up? We in Vonte's world. Vonte's world. Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smashed his freak. Damn. Alright, so now I got the charger here and I'm gonna show y'all how to remove the tensioner and how to replace it. So before we get into it, the first thing you're gonna need is 3/8 socket wrench and a 1/2 inch socket wrench. So first thing you wanna do over here is we go down and as y'all can see, the tensioner is right there. Let me set the camera down so y'all can see clearly. Okay, as y'all can see, so we got the tensioner right here. So what we're gonna do is stick the 3/8 in this slot right here to pull this tensioner back so we can loosen the belt off of it. And I'm just gonna be taking the belt only off of the tensioner. I'm not taking this whole belt off and reassembling this whole belt again. I'm only taking it off of the tensioner. So we're gonna take this 3/8, put it in here, bend it back, take the belt off, and then we're gonna take this bolt off, and then it should come right off. So grab my 3/8 real quick. Pull it, and I just gotta get my other hand in here. I'm trying to make sure you can see this. So just pull it back enough so we can get the belt off. So take the socket wrench out, and we got the belt off of the tensioner. So now we're gonna take this 3/8 and we're gonna take, oh, I forgot to mention this, we need a 16mm socket. So go ahead and remove this tensioner. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why is this so easy? Why is it coming off so easy? And the reason that it's coming off so easy is I actually already removed this, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I reassembled all of this, and now I'm recording it again. And I'm actually recording this time. So we get that bolt out. Let's take my arm out. Got this bolt. And the tensioner comes right out. We have the old tensioner here and the new tensioner right here. We'll take this bolt out because we're going to reuse this now. On this tensioner, it has the 1/2 inch slot to move it back. So that's why you need the 1/2 inch socket wrench, because on this one it's a 1/2 inch and it's in a different location. As you can see on this one, on the old tensioner, the slot is up here at the top to move the tensioner back to put the belt on. But on the new one, it's in the middle and it's a 1/2 inch slot. So just wanted to show y'all that, show y'all the comparison. I'm gonna just wipe it down real quick. Wipe down. Alright. So, got the old tensioner right here. Got that bolt. Slide it through. Put it back. Slide it in here. Slide this into position. We got the new tensioner on here. Go ahead and tighten it by hand as far as you can. Like I said, guys, I've seen so many videos on replacing a tensioner, taking the tensioner off of a Dodge Journey or a 05 Charger, but no videos up yet on how to replace a tensioner on a 3.6 Charger Pentastar. So I'm the first person to do this, and like I said, hopefully I'll be able to help a lot of people, because that's the main goal and purpose with this video. So As we tighten. We got it almost tightened all the way. Almost. Wrench. Not gonna go too crazy on this because I think that's tight enough. Y'all can see we got the belt going around the alternator right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take it off of the alternator. Take it off of the alternator, which is right here. I'm just gonna hold my finger over this part because I don't want it to come off anything else. So we're gonna wrap the belt around this way. Tension this way. Alright, as y'all can see, alright, so now we got it wrapped around the tensioner going this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the socket wrench in, pull the tensioner back this way, and then I'm gonna wrap the belt around the alternator, and we're gonna be all set. So let's do that right now. Socket wrench in there. Socket wrench is in there. Grab the belt as we pull back. Y'all can see it's almost on there. It's almost back on. So almost back on, guys. Almost back on. Hopefully y'all can see this, man. My light keeps shifting. I'm trying to get you the best angle, best view. Alright, so as y'all can see, the belt is on. It's around the tensioner. We just gotta get it back all the way around the alternator there. So once you do this, you should be good to go. This is back on. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove our socket. Alright, y'all, so that's it, man. That's how you replace the tensioner. As y'all can see, we got the new one in there and everything is good. So yeah, like I said, hopefully y'all be able to help a lot of people with this video right here, man. So hit the likes button, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned in because we still got more content coming.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.